Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a navigation bar in Webflow, step by step for beginners, so by the end you'll have a clean, working navbar on your website. First, open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want to add the navbar. This is usually your home page, but you can add it anywhere. Next, open the Elements panel on the left side and scroll down until you find the navbar component. Just drag and drop it onto your page. Now, click on the logo area and replace it with your own logo or text. You can upload an image or just type your brand name, whatever fits your style. Then update your menu links. Click on each link and change the text, like home, about, or contact. You can also link them to different pages on your site. All right, now let's style it a bit. Use the Style panel to change colors, fonts, spacing. Just make sure it matches your website design. If you want your navbar to stay at the top while scrolling, set its position to sticky or fixed. This keeps it visible at all times, which is super useful. Don't forget to check the mobile view. Webflow automatically adds a menu button, but you can customize how it looks and works, and that's it. You've added a navbar in Webflow. Yeah, it's actually pretty simple once you try it. If you found this helpful, check out more tutorials like this. Hey everyone.